Hi, I'm Beverly Walker, also known as the Knitting Doctor. I'm a certified knitting teacher and have been teaching for over 30 years. I had the pleasure of teaching on the last two world cruises aboard the Viking Sun, and I am pleased to say that I will be returning for the 2021 World Cruise. I also host Crafters Corner. Our goal is to create a community of fiber crafters, and all types are welcome. We have a complete yarn store at sea. For those who have never knit before or those who have not brought any projects on board, we have a supply of yarn, needles, and patterns. In addition to making items for personal use, the knitters also generously give their time making baby hats, blankets, joey pouches, and other items for donation to different ports around the world. I will be giving knitting instruction for all levels from beginner to experienced. I hope you can come and join us each sea day in the Winter Garden. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.